Hi, my name is Sean. I'm a pinsetter mechanic. I'm certified to work on Brunswick A2 and jetback pinsetters. It's been a while. Been super busy in the center. So we had a problem on 31, and it looks like my grandpa went and fixed that already. And it's exactly what I thought was the problem. That's broken AF. So today all we're going to be doing is we're going to be cleaning up this whole frame, and then going to see if we can weld this back together. But first we need to clean this. So as soon as it's clean, I'll be right back. Alright, it's clean enough. Where's my bucket? Gross. I forgot my safety glasses. May do some stupid shit, but I value my eyes very much. Alright. This is in weird positions. Alright.
Don't wanna let you in, but it's too late now.
Okay. Don't make fun of my welding. I'm still new at it. So I did that one. Do what I want to do. There we go. There we go. out where the crack was. Trailed off a little bit, but it's still fun. Okay. That's still, God darn it, man. Can't see shit. That's better. Okay, so just I got fast. Man, I mean, it'll hold. It's just not as pretty as I want it to be. I can do some really pretty ones sometimes, but other ones, I can't do shit. You. Well, that could have looked pretty, but it stopped feeding wire on me. Just like that. Don't know where that damn crack is. Oh no, you're a hoe. Holy shit. Why? Yummy. Okay. I don't pick that. Hold on. Okay. Welds could have been prettier. Could have been. If anyone has any, tips on making this shit look better, I'd appreciate it. The only thing you can't suggest is getting a new welder, because it's not my welder. The top turned out pretty all right. Yeah, the top turned out pretty okay. A couple spots where I got fast, there and there. Stayed too long here, but that's because I thought the line went this way, but it turned out it went down more and then curved. So I put a bead where there didn't need to be one. Other than that though, that bitch is back together. So just a couple more cleaning things and then we'll paint it. I used to have a little sawhorse that I would lean this shit against, but they got rid of it because it was trash. It's still in one piece. Still did what I needed it to.
They say every day's a new day. Live it like your last day. It's okay to feel great. Yeah, you're all jumping on a new wave. Time goes by, but I stay stuck up in my old ways. So hard to unlearn habits we got addicted to. I'm trying to change my life, but so much easier to say than do. Oh, please help me. Please go easy on me. I can't believe it's so hard for me to see that I deserve this. Deserve to feel happy now. So please go easy. Please go easy on me. Go easy on me. Go easy on me. Easy on me. Don't give me a hard time, just let me live my life in peace. My life in peace. Been broken a long time, don't remember the highlights of me. Highlights of me. Oh, please help me. Please go easy on me. I can't believe it's so hard for me to see that I deserve this. Deserve to feel happy now. So please go easy. Please go easy. So hard to unlearn habits we got addicted to. I'm trying to change my life, but so much easier to say.
So once the paint's dry, then this thing is ready to go back into another machine. So sorry, this isn't the typical, you know, fixing the machines kind of video, but it still pertains to it, so I figured it would be fine. Yeah, I hope to get into making videos here soon. It's December, so it's right in the middle of our busy season, and yeah, I don't know, just I'm not giving up on the channel. I'm still answering comments. I'm still wanting to make videos, so as soon as I have free time too, then I will most definitely be doing that and getting back into it. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you feel like sharing the video, that'd be greatly appreciated, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
It's done too late now.